The sight of two tractor drivers trying to pull each other out is fascinating. Watching them pull so hard, if only we had sound in the cabin to hear all the action. Wow, so beautiful. I really like the sound of those old Jeeps, the sound of freedom. Wow, it's unbelievable unless you see it with your own eyes. Two tractors share their first kiss on a Bigfoot curve, despite moving at slow speed. That's why the TT4 was created, to assist in every situation. Once the most favored tractor in the lumber industry, the TT4 is truly a beast. It's time for a mud bath. A spectacular sight of a snowplow train powerfully clearing thick snow from the tracks creates a magnificent scene of strength in modern engineering. A powerful demonstration of a snowplow truck charging into thick snow and effectively clearing the road. This harsh snowstorm has created a big challenge, pushing the C500 Kenworth truck into a difficult situation. Many photographers want to capture the moment of the CNJ 1 and 13 train. You are very lucky. This method helps them save time washing the car. This is the largest Hummer in the world. Surely, when you have a lot of money but don't know what to do with it, you will own this car. This driver is quite envious of the sailors on the boat, so he wants to learn a new skill. Do you think this truck can climb this slope? Oh no, it looks like the weight of the log is too much for the trailer. The truck's weight is not enough for good traction, but no doubt this is one of the most beautiful trucks I have ever seen. That cable reel weighs 655 tons of pure steel, which is no joke. This video truly demonstrates the impressive engineering strength in transporting such massive goods. Have you ever wondered why such heavy ships don't sink? New generation wind turbines are becoming larger, generating energy from the wind. Transporting these increasingly heavy and long components quickly and safely is a major challenge. Are you planning to move houses to another location? The magical moment when a powerful train plows through the white snow creates a magnificent and romantic scene. A large car fire. Fortunately, the fire truck arrived in time to put it out. It started its maiden voyage on the water, marking an important milestone in the manufacturing process. Do you have any memories with this yacht? Share them in the comments below. Looking at this ship makes me cry. I am really sad to witness a ship being stranded due to a collision. Each journey of the ship is a symbol of progress and pride. A special tribute to the captain and the entire crew who bravely and professionally transported goods to the mainland safely.